Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're doing a Sunday reset, self-care Sunday vibe. So I just got back from the gym. Y'all, I had such a good workout. Like, it was really good. I pushed myself today because yesterday I did not eat that good. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get in the gym and I'm gonna work extra hard. So yeah, your girl killed it in the gym. I'm proud of myself. And we did a little bit of like 12 3 30, like 12 incline, 3 speed, and for 30 minutes. It was really good. And then I ended up lifting like some weights and I got on the stairs. When I tell y'all, the stairs is not for the weak, okay? But right now I'm about to wax my lip. Where's my stuff at? I'm gonna wax my lip, y'all. I have this Sally Hansen wax strips. This is what I like to use to wax my lip. Yeah, I'm gonna wax my chin. And we're going to do some skincare. I think I'm gonna do a face mask. Yeah, I've had this face mask for a little minute. It's time for me to find a new one, but we're gonna use this face mask. This is the Peter Thomas one. And what else are we doing? Shower routine, of course. And then I have, if you see my last video, where's my stuff at? So I'm gonna use my little what is this? This is my Rosemary mist that I made the other day. I recorded this, so y'all should have seen it if you see my last video, girl. So yeah, I'm gonna use this in my hair just to stimulate some growth, okay? And then we're gonna get in the shower. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and introduce the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna start off by doing the waxing on my lip and my chin. Y'all, no matter how many times I wax myself, it hurts every time, okay? One thing about it, it's gonna hurt. It comes with the finishing oil, but this breaks me out, so I don't like to use this. So I'm gonna just use like my Aquaphor or like coconut oil just to get rid of like the residue that is on after you wax. They have like all different types of like sizes, so I'm going to use like the smaller one because I'm just doing my lip and my chin. We're not doing it special. We're just going to do the lip and the chin and call it one. So yeah, I'm going to just show y'all how I wax, and then I'm just going to do like a little b-roll of the rest. So I'm going to take this smaller one right here. I hope y'all can see me. But I'm going to take this smaller one right here and just use this for my lip. Woo!
That I make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real, and baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you. Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. Don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not on you.
Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later, so I done did my skincare, shower, did my hair. I just put it into a ponytail, what I always do. So yeah, right now I'm about to clean my kitchen because it is a hot mess. And then I need to fold some clothes. And I need to meal prep for the week, y'all. I'm making me some chicken breast, some quinoa, and I'm going to have like a little vegetable on the side. But right now I'm about to take supplements. So these are what I keep my supplements in. I think I showed y'all this in my last video. So this just helps me to keep organized and to basically stay on top of taking my supplements. So I have a multivitamin. I'm about to try a different multivitamin. I think it's the Aunt Mary's or something. I'm pretty sure y'all seen it. It's like all on TikTok. The little liquid form of multivitamins. Because my energy just be so low, y'all. Like I just be feeling like I'm just so tired. I don't know, but I just been needing a little to get me through the day. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get me that multivitamin, the liquid one, because I just want to see how it works for me. But I have a multivitamin, vitamin C, magnesium pill, vitamin D, vitamin B, iron pill, and then I have my probiotics pills. So yeah, take your vitamins, girl, okay? Don't be like me. I want to show y'all these candles that I got from Target. Y'all, these candles smell so good, but when I burn them, I don't smell anything. And I'm just like, what in the world? I don't know why. I don't know. I'm just thinking like it's because it's a soy wax blend. Girl, I don't know, but it's just so annoying because these are so cute. I really love the smell, but when you burn them, you cannot smell anything, me personally. And I even tried to like put it in like a smaller room, like my bathroom, because I was thinking maybe because I have it out in my living room, maybe the living room space is just a little bit too big. So I put it in my bathroom. Girl, still couldn't smell it. And this willow smells so good. And then I have the pampas. The pampas smells really good too, y'all. I had the salt too. I like all three of those, but these are just really a cute little piece to have in your house. I just love the little cement look. It's just so cute, y'all. I love aesthetic stuff. So if I see something that looks cute, I'm gonna get it.
Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? And I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery, yeah. I finally found
Hey y'all, so I look crazy. Oh my gosh. Why is one like this? Hey y'all, so I'm sitting on the couch. Girl, I'm tired, okay? Your girl is tired. So I didn't finish cleaning my whole house, but I did do like my kitchen. I made up my bed and just like sprayed just to make it smell good, like my house. I got my candles burning. And right now I'm about to edit this video, y'all, because I really want this video to go up today. So I'm about to start editing, relax. Y'all, my feet are hurting, my back is hurting. It's just like, I think after the gym I should have been sitting down, but instead I just was like doing stuff, like, so I'm just like tired. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end off this vlog because I ain't doing nothing else, girl. I'm tired. I'm ready to see Housewives of Potomac reunion part 2. Let me know if y'all watch Housewives. But yeah, that's gonna be the vibes for the rest of the day. Just chilling, editing this video because I want it to go live today. I gotta charge my computer. Yeah, I'm tired. And it's just like, oh my god, tomorrow is Monday. Like, so yeah, I'm just gonna do that and just chill out. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on Tuesday because I think I'm posting like every other day. So the next posting date is gonna be on Tuesday. So I'm gonna see y'all on Tuesday. And I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will catch y'all in my next one. Peace.